It may not sound like the obvious place to look when trying to determine how snakes lost their limbs, but the inner ear of a fossilized skull could finally solve the mystery. CT scans of a 90-million-year-old Deinonychia patagonica fossil show the ancestor of modern-day serpents had a large, spherical canal in its ear, a feature typically found in burrowing creatures. This suggests snakes lost their legs when their ancestors evolved to live and hunt in burrows and not to help them live in the sea, as previously thought. The extinct species is closely linked to modern snakes, and bony canals and cavities, like those in the ears of modern Typhlops bronchosmyanus, a modern burrowing snake found in South America, controlled its hearing and balance. Dr. Hong Yi from the University of Edinburgh, and Mark Norrell from the American Museum of Natural History, built computer models to reveal the tiny hidden structures inside the extinct animal's skull. They then compared these scans to those taken of modern reptiles. The CT scans showed that the inner ear, or vestibule, of the ancient serpent, is distinct to ancient and modern burrowing reptiles and quite unlike those of snakes that live in the ocean or above ground. The vestibule contains the sensory organs that control balance and hearing within a basket-like structure of 3 narrow semicircular canals. The scientists discovered this area was large and spherical in Deinonychia patagonica and said this is a morphological signature for burrowing. By comparison, aquatic reptiles have smaller and less defined vestibules, according to the study published in the journal Science Advances. The findings will help scientists fill in gaps in the story of snake evolution and offer clues about a hypothetical ancestral species from which all modern snakes descended, which was likely a burrower. Dr. Hong Yi, of the University of Edinburgh's School of Geosciences, who led the research, said, "How snakes lost their legs has long been a mystery to scientists, but it seems that this happened when their ancestors became adept at burrowing."